What's going on, people and eBay sellers? Biker Dave here. We've had an eBay store since 2003. And just a quick tip here, if you use the eBay global shipping method for international shipments, and maybe you accidentally printed a label that you want to void, as far as done through eBay global shipping, you might have noticed that if you go up here to the top where you would usually void shipping labels, you come down to here, and here will be all of your most recent shipping labels. You'll notice, like, here's one, from eBay International Delivery. You usually would go over here to more actions, and there would be a void option. Like if you look at others, for first class mail, the void option is usually right there. But for eBay global shipping, there is no void option. And usually it's very costly to ship international. So you think you're going to lose this money if you can't void the label, and trying to contact eBay directly is a very painful process right now. Well, here's the issue. If you don't use the label, like if you don't actually ship the thing, you will not be billed for it through your service. So that's how it works. eBay does not bill your account until the label shows to be used or scanned into the system. So nothing to worry about. You can't void it per se, but as long as you don't use it, you don't get billed for it. Anyway, that's it. Pretty interesting deal that they do with that. Yeah, check out our eBay store. If you go to Horsepower House, or if you Google Horsepower House, we got all kinds of motorcycle-related tools and parts and specialty tools, uncommon stuff, especially if you work on your bikes. But we also have drain plugs and flywheel pullers and posters and all kinds of cool stuff, And of course, check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. We now have 2 YouTube channels, Horsepower House as well as Horsepower House 2.0. So check that out. Hundreds of cool videos, of all shapes and sizes, how-to stuff, racing videos, fixing stuff around the house, fixing your car, your motorcycle, your dirt bike, just all kinds of stuff. You could spend weeks looking through our channel and never see the same video twice. That's how many are on there. Anyway, so check it out. And once again, Biker Dave here. We're in Marietta, Georgia, which is just north of Atlanta. And subscribe to our channel and make sure that you hit the notification button, and you'll be notified automatically of any new videos we post. And that's it. So y'all have a great day, and we shall see y'all later.